Hi everyone, Tobias from Project of the Year, and Happy New Year. I will kick off this year by upgrading my sawmill to the new Logosol F2 sawmill, and I will tear it down and put it up so you can see how easy it is. One really nice thing is you only need one Allen key and one fixed key, and you don't have to remove the bolts all the way, just loosen them and you can disconnect the rails. I had some trouble because the day before it was raining and this night is frozen, so lots of things have frozen together. This is the only screw that you need to remove completely, and it's only valid if you have the short extension that I have. So here is the complete disassembled sawmill. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes, but I filmed and it was the first time I disassembled it. And if I practice a couple of times, I think I can tear it down in about 5 minutes. Really simple. Here you see the connection. This one you slide in, and on the other side it's a straight. So it's really easy just to slide it in and push it up. And if we check the rail, it's have a connection in between that is just one Allen key, and it push this apart and fix it really good. I couldn't stop, always messing around, but that has changed now. Let's put the sawmill on the spot where I had it before. Remember, this is the second time I put this sawmill together, so I'm not an expert. Always messing around, but that has changed now. That has changed. I never thought I could settle down, but that has changed now. Yeah, baby, you can turn the rain into gold. So this is what it means to fall in love. I like it. I used to think another wasted night, but not anymore, no, no. Baby, you can turn the rain into gold. So this is what it means to fall in love. I like it. I like it. Oh. My old sawmill was 6 meters long and my new is only 5 meters. So I was thinking about taking a 50 centimeters piece from the old sawmill and put on a new one, because I never used the extension in the further end. So I will take 50 centimeters more here from my old sawmill, and then the sawmill get to be exactly the same, so it's easy to mow the feeding unit between the sawmills.
I've been down, I've been everywhere, but I'm alright now, I'm alright. I nearly drowned in my own despair, but I'm alright now, yeah. Baby, you can turn the rain into gold. I couldn't stop, always messing around, but that has changed now, that has changed. I never thought I could settle down, but that has changed now, yeah. Baby, you can turn the rain into gold. So this is what it means to fall in love. I like it. I used to think another wasted night, but not anymore, no, no. Baby, you can turn the rain into gold. So this is what it means to fall in.
Here you have it, a complete setup of the Farmer's F2. The next step is to check everything is in level and so on. But I think that's a video by its own. So thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.